Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful fire engine red 2011 Kia Soul Plus. So the Plus model denotes a little bit higher trim level package. This one comes with alloy wheels, brand new front tires, nice clean and clear headlights. Powered by a nice reliable 4-cylinder engine. This one comes equipped with the 2.0. So they have a few different engines in these, but this one's 2.0, so nice good long-lasting engine. Paint's all in really good condition, nice bright logo there, those tend to fade. Just some light clear coat peeling on the tops of the mirrors and the top of that rear spoiler. Other than that, the paint is perfect, and comes garage kept, smoke and pet free. Has the nice Soul logos there on the seats, the nice chrome trim around the speakers. That's what came with the Plus version of this. Has this little pocket storage up here. Bluetooth connectivity, voice command, Sirius satellite radio, AM FM radio, ice cold AC. Also comes with auxiliary iPod, USB connectivity, standard key, a nice armrest extension, some small tearing here, but a couple of cup holders, emergency brake, and the ability to sport shift with this. And dual vanity mirrors. Everything looks really good. You get the home link, the auto dimming rear view mirror, and the compass, as well as power windows, locks, and mirrors. So a lot of nice Soul Plus features that you get. And then it comes with the factory floor mats throughout. Really clean back seat, also split folding rear seats, so both rear seats fold forward, so you get plenty of extra space in this. The body side molding to protect against dings and dents, and then we also get 4-wheel disc brakes. So plenty of stopping power for the Soul. Spare tire, tools, and jack all up underneath. The vehicle was in its very early life into a rear collision. This was from the previous owner. So rear collision in the back, and they deemed it too expensive to fix through insurance. So this vehicle comes with a Florida rebuilt title, meaning it's been inspected, certified safe for the road. Everything's present and needed for any kind of safety. So no airbag deployment was done. So it still has airbags, no issues there. Everything works as it should. This was involved in this accident almost 10 years ago. So this previous owner has been driving it for that time frame. We typically don't take in these, but it was a trade-in, so to make everything work, we have it because it ended up being really clean. 86,000 original miles. No issues at all with the drive or anything. It drives like it should, like new. You would never even be able to tell without that VIN sticker being there. Stereo sounds good. Ice cold AC, original Kia windshield. So it was an elderly gentleman that owned it, and he was the one that did the fix on it with his repair shop. So it's been professionally repaired, certified through the state of Florida to be deemed safe for driving, so no issues there. Again, typically we don't sell these vehicles, but we have this as a trade-in. So we're offering this super clean, super low mileage Kia Soul for a great price due to the title history of it. Typically this would be $2,000 to $3,000 more than we're selling it for, so excellent chance to get a great deal on a really great car. So you can find this beautiful 2011 Kia Soul Plus exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.